Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speed in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open Settings, then go to Network and Internet. Select your active connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on what you're using. Now make sure the related background or metered connection option is turned off, as it can limit your speed. Next, go back to Network and Internet, then open Advanced Network Settings. Find Data Usage and you'll see a list of apps using your internet. If you notice any unnecessary apps consuming a lot of data, go to Installed Apps and uninstall the ones you don't need. After that, open View Network Connections. Right-click your active network and go to Properties. Here, disable Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6. Then select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, open its properties, and choose Use the following DNS server addresses. For DNS, set Preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes and check your speed. If there's no improvement, you can try Preferred DNS, 1.1.1.1. Alternate DNS, 1.0.0.1. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the following commands one by one. IP protocol configuration /flushtons. Netwinsock reset. After that, go back to Settings, open Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, and select Network Reset. Reset your network settings and restart your PC. Once your system restarts, your internet speed issue should be improved or resolved. That's it.